In front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access privacy. Now click on Permission Manager under Permissions at the top left corner and click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Finally, select one of your apps. I will go with TikTok. And click on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, TikTok just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage, scroll all the way down, and instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!